Good morning, children. Today we will complete remaining grammar part, worksheet 11, the overcrowded house. So all of you open page number 75 in the workbook. Tick the correct forms of the verbs to complete these sentences. So children, here each sentence has two red color words. Okay, select one verb which is suitable to the sentence. Here see first one, do or does. The boy and his friends play here every day. Children, observe, every day do they are playing. That's why we select here do, present continuous form, this sentence. Okay. Next one, has or have you seen my badge? Here this sentence is talking about present tense. That's why we have selected have. Okay. Have you seen my badge? Present form. Understood, children? Next one. The flowers of the gulmohar tree is or red. Here observe flowers. Flowers are plural form. So we have selected here are. Understood? Next one. The vegetable vendor comes to our building once a week. In once a week, the vegetable vendor comes. Here we have selected comes because this sentence present continuous form. Why? Because the vegetable vendor comes to our building once a week. Every week once he will come. That's why we select here comes. Okay. Next one. You don't or does not go to school on Sunday. We select here don't. Why? Because this sentence is in present continuous form. Every Sunday we don't go to school. That's why we select here don't. This sentence is in present continuous form. Okay. Next one. Meenu return or returns from Mumbai tonight. This sentence is talking about present continuous form. Tonight. Okay. Come, returns. That's why we select here a returns verb. Understood, children? Moving on to next one. Using these clues, find the words in the grid. Okay. Here we have given some hints. Across means children sleeping line. Using these hints, you fill those the blanks. Next one. Down means straight line. Using these hints, fill those blanks. Turn the page, children, everyone. Page number 76. So, children, here we have a puzzle. Yes? With the help of these following clues, that means before page clues have now those clues, we can fill this grid. Understood, children? Okay. See the first one. When someone says something that is false, that means lie. Okay? Second one. Fourth one. Where is the fourth one? Here. Yes. To say something when someone asks a question. What we say? Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Yes. Next one. Seventh one, see. This one. The final part of something. What we call the final part? End. E-N-D. And. Next one. Eighth one. Across means sleeping line, children. All sleeping lines only. Eighth one, see. Waste material or unwanted things that are thrown away. Where we thrown away? In the garbage. Okay? Garbage. Garbage. Okay? Yes. Now we are moving to the down lines. That means straight lines. See the first one. To let someone do something. What we can do? Allow. 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 Next. Third one. Not easy. What is the opposite of easy? Hard. 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 Okay? Next. Fifth one, see. Unusual. That means strange. 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 Okay? Next. Sixth one. What is the clue of sixth one? To make something work again. That means repair. REPAIR. So, our grid is completed. Understood? See children, next one. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the grid. Here we have some blanks, children. Please fill these blanks with the help of grid words. Okay? Above grid have those words. Understood? See the first one. She was scolded for telling a. What is the right answer here? Lie. Okay? Next one. Did Anil dash your question? Question means what he is telling. Answer. Their mother does not allow them to go out alone. Allow. Don't give the permission, mother. Okay? Will you please repair my broken clock? Please empty the garbage into the bin outside. Okay? These are the proper words. Moving on to next page, children. Page number 77. See sixth one. At first, I found it very hard to paint, but now I do it very easily. Easy opposite word, hard. Okay? It is raining in summer. Is not that strange? Raining in summer. It is not that strange one. Yes? There is a large banyan tree at the end of the road. Okay? Next one. Here we have some missing letters. Complete these GE words. Read them aloud. All GE words only, children. End of the word you can observe GE. See, observe all the words and with GE letters only. Okay? That's why these are called GE words. Now fill these blanks. VILLAGE. Village. MANAGE. Manage. COLLEGE. College. PACKAGE. Package. Remaining fifth one, sixth one, seventh one. Try on your own, children. Okay? So look at the pictures, children. Look at these pictures and read the outline of the story. By using these hints, frame a story. Here see in the first picture, tiger has fleas. Fleas means, children, small insects on the body. There lived a tiger who used to scratch himself all day because he had fleas. See in the second picture, one day he saw a monkey passing by and asked him to remove the fleas from his back. The monkey agreed and began to pick the fleas. Observe the third picture. Soon the tiger fell asleep. By this time, the monkey became bored of picking fleas. In the fourth picture, he decided to play a cruel trick on the tiger. He tied the tiger's tail to a tree and ran away. Observe here, tie the tiger's tail on the tree. Who's do this one? The monkey. In the fifth picture, he tied the tiger's tail to a tree and ran away. When the tiger awoke, he struggled to free himself, but in vain. He growled in anger. A squirrel who lived in the tree heard him and asked him why he was so angry. When the tiger told him what had happened, the squirrel felt very bad for him. She united his tail and promised to help him punish the monkey. She thought of a plan. What is that plan, children? She told the tiger to lie down near the tree and act as if he was dead. See here, tiger acting to the dead. Then she went to the monkey and told him that the tiger had died. The monkey went to see for himself. The monkey came, children, see the tiger. He poked the tiger with a stick to check if he really was dead. The monkey is checking to the tiger was dead or not. Observe here, monkey pokes tiger to check. After that, at that moment, the tiger jumped up and roared angrily at the monkey. The monkey shouted in fear and leaped up the tree. Once again, see here, leaped up the tree. Who's that? The monkey. He felt very bad for troubling the tiger and said sorry to him. He also promised never to play tricks on anyone again. See, children, the moral of the story is don't play tricks on anyone again. That is the moral of the story. So, here write the story. On the blanks. Okay, that's all for today's session, children. Read and write grammar points in worksheet 11. Thank you.